Hello guys, welcome to Byte Geek. In this video, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your PC or laptop. Fortnite is honestly one of the most fun games out there, and developed by Epic Games. What started as a simple battle royale has turned into this massive platform with all kinds of different modes and experiences. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your browser, any browser like Chrome or Edge. In the URL address bar, type epicgames.com and press enter. This will open the Epic Games official website. Once the site loads, look at the top right hand side. You'll see a blue download button. Click on it to download the Epic Games launcher. After it's downloaded, run the installer file. It will start downloading and installing the required updates, so just let it complete. Next, sign in with your account, or create one if you don't have an account yet. Just click on Create an Account and follow the steps. Once your account is ready and you're logged in, then go to Epic Game and search Fortnite. Select the main Fortnite game from the results. On the right hand side, click on the blue Get button. It will take you to the order page. Don't worry, the game is completely free, so no payment is required. Just click on Place Order. And once it's done, you will see thanks for your order. Click on Continue Browsing. Now go to the library from the left hand side. You'll see Fortnite added there. Click on Install, then choose where you want to install the game. If you have enough space on your C drive, you can continue, or you can change the location to another drive with more free space. After that, click Install and the download will start. Keep in mind, Fortnite is around 90 gigabytes, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Just wait for it to finish and you'll be ready to play. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.